What is SEO? SEO is a marketing discipline focused on growing visibility in organic, non-paid search engine results. SEO encompasses both the technical and creative elements required to improve rankings, drive traffic, and increase awareness in search engines. SEO is the process of affecting the visibility of a website or web pages in a search engine result. 3. How search engine works. 4. How search engine works. There are 3 basic stages for a search engine. Crawling, the acquisition of data about a website. This involves scanning the site and getting a complete list of everything on there. The page title, images, keywords it contains, and any other pages it links to at a bare minimum. Indexing. Indexing is the process of taking all of that data you have from a crawl and placing it in a big database. 5. How search engine works. Retrieval. The last step is what you see. You type in a search query, and the search engine attempts to display the most relevant documents it finds that match your query. The ranking algorithm checks your search query against billions of pages to determine how relevant each one is. 6. Basic steps to optimize your websites. Basic steps to get your website optimized. Keyword research on page link. Building technical aspects. Search console. 7. Keyword research. Keyword research is one of the most important, valuable, and high return activities in the search marketing field. Ranking for the right keywords can make or break your website. By researching your market's keyword demand, you can not only learn which terms and phrases to target with SEO, but also learn more about your customers as a whole. 8. On-page SEO. In search engine optimization, on-page optimization refers to all measures that can be taken directly within the website in order to improve its position in the search rankings. Some on-page activities are meta tag, title tag, heading tag, image optimization. 9. Meta tag. A meta tag is a tag that is a coding statement in the HTML that describes some aspect of the contents of a web page. The information that you provide in a meta tag is used by search engines to index a page so that someone searching for the kind of information the page contains will be able to find it. 10. Heading tag. The LTH1GT to LTH6GT tags are used to define HTML headings. LTH1GT defines the most important heading. LTH6GT defines the least important heading. Code LTH1GT. This is title alt/H1GT. LTH2GT. This is title alt/H2GT. LTH6GT. This is title alt/H6GT. 11. Title tags. Title tags, technically called title elements. It define the title of a document. Title tags are often used on search engine results pages, SERPs, to display preview snippets for a given page, and are important both for SEO and social sharing. Code title egged. Example: title alt, title egged lt, hegged. 12. Meta description. Meta descriptions are HTML attributes that provide concise explanations of the contents of web pages. Meta descriptions are commonly used on search engine result pages, SERPs, to display preview snippets for a given page. Name description content. This is an example of a meta description. GTLT, hegged. 13. Image optimization. The HTML ting tag is used to put an image in an HTML document. Ultim src smiley.gif out smiley. Face height 150 width 140/GT. 14. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO refers to techniques that can be used to improve the position of a website in the search engine results page, SERPs. Off-page SEO has to do with promotion methods, following these activities: article submission, blog submission, forum, classified ads, directory submission, social bookmarking submission, social media, press release, etc. 15. Advanced SEO redirects. Unique content. 404 error page. Canonicalization. Site performance. Robots.txt. Structured data. 16. Use redirection properly. When you need to move a web page to a different URL, make sure you're using the right type of redirect, and that you're also redirecting users to the most appropriate page. Always use 301 for permanent redirection. A 301 tells the search engine to drop the old page from its index and replace it with a new URL. A 302, temporary redirect, signals that the move will be short-lived, and therefore search engines do not transfer link equity to the new page. 17. Content should be unique. We all know that content needs to be unique to rank highly in the SERPs. If content is duplicate, then search engines get confused about which version of a page to index and rank if the same content appears on multiple pages. Ideally, you should only have one URL for one piece of content. When you have duplicated pages, search engines pick the version they think is best and filter out all the rest. 18. Create a custom 404 error page. The error 404 page not found is the error page displayed whenever someone search for a page that's simply not available on your site. The reason for this is that there may be a link on your site that was wrong, or the page might have been recently removed from the site. As there is no web page to display, the web server sends a page that simply says 404 page not found. 19. Canonicalization. Canonicalization refers to individual web pages that can be loaded from multiple URLs. This is a problem because when multiple pages have the same content but different URLs, links that are intended to go to the same page get split up among multiple URLs. This means that the popularity of the pages gets split up. Canonical issues can be solved with this code, link. Rel canonical ref http://a.b.c.com web link. 20. Website performance or speed. How long does it take your website to display a page? Your website's server speed and page loading time affect the user experience and impact SEO as well. Page speed is a measurement of how fast the content on your page loads. Pages with a longer load time tend to have higher bounce rates and lower average time on page. Longer load times have also been shown to negatively affect conversions. 21. Use Robots.txt. Robots.txt is text file webmasters create to instruct robots how to crawl and index pages on their websites. Example of Robots.txt file.